Welcome to Tech Brothers with Amir. In this video, we are going to learn about limit function in PySpark. The limit function in PySpark is used to return a specified number of rows from a data frame. It helps in sampling data or fetching a small subset for quick analysis. So here is my sample data that has 10 records here, and then we are creating a data frame by using create a data frame function. And then here we are providing the data for which we would like to create our data frame, and the list of the column we are telling this column is ID, this column is name, and this column is salary. Now once our data frame is created, we would like to see that that we will use the df.show function. So we will run this code by hit shift control enter. So it's gonna run the selected text that we have just selected. Now we have ID, name, and salary, and here are my 10 records. Now with the limit function, what we can do, we have this let's say you say we have the data frame already, and here we say limit 5, and then use the show function, show the results. Now what's going to happen is going to show us 5 records out of 10 records. So you see right there, now it is displaying only 5 records because with the limit function we have limited the result set. Now with the, if we want to do 3, that we can do 3, not a big deal. So this is just an example. You can do 5, 3, 10, whatever you want to do. But now if you go further and say like I have 13 records, you don't have 13 records, but you have put the limit say 13. In this case, as this limit number is more than the actual records in the data frame, it's going to show you the entire data frame. So we know that we have 10 records in the data frame, and that's what it is shown as 10 records. So when we put 13, so if you will put more, it's going to show you everything. Now what are the real-time examples? Sometimes we have a large size of data frame and we want to do some analysis. We can store the limited results to the another data frame. So here I'm saying df limited equal to df limit 4. So I'm taking 4 results from here and putting into the new data frame, and then I'm gonna go ahead and execute, and let's see. So now we can see that df limited has only 4 records because we have used the limit function here, and we got only 4 records from the df data frame. Now that's we have saved into the df underscore limited, and then shown by the show function right here. So the results are right there. So you will encounter in the places where you come up to the scenario where you will need the small data sets from large size data set, and this is where you will use the limit. I thank you very much for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in next video.